In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to your slides using Canva. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or a social event, adding the right audio can make your content engaging and dynamic. Let's get started. First of all, open Canva. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do that using your login details. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard with all of your previous projects and an option to create a new one. Click on the button to start a new project or select an existing one that you want to enhance with audio. It's crucial that you have your project ready because that's where we'll be adding the music. Now that your project is ready, let's move on to adding the audio. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice a menu with various options like templates, uploads, photos, and more. Here, we're interested in the Elements category. Go ahead and click on that. Elements is a treasure trove of creative assets, everything from shapes to graphics, and yes, audio too. As you scroll down in the Elements menu, you'll come across various sections like graphics, photos, and videos. Continue scrolling until you spot the section labeled Audio. This might take a little patience, depending on how much content is loaded in your Elements view, but it's there, so keep an eye out. Once you spot the audio section, you'll see a small Select All link or button nearby. Click on this option. By doing so, you'll be able to view all the available audio tracks Canva has to offer in one place. This is really convenient because you can preview different tracks and find one that perfectly matches the mood and tone of your presentation. After browsing through the various audio tracks, select one that suits your needs. This could be an upbeat tune for an energetic pitch or something more subtle for a reflective presentation. Once you've made your choice, simply click on the track to select it. Now it's time to integrate the chosen audio into your project. Drag the audio file directly onto your first slide. The beauty of Canva is that it automatically trims the audio to fit the length of your slide. This means you don't have to worry about fine-tuning the audio length. Canva's got it covered. That's how you add audio per slide in Canva. You can repeat this process for any slide in your presentation, allowing each one to be paired with a unique sound if that's what you desire. It's a straightforward way to make sure your slides are as captivating as possible thanks to the magic of audio. And there you have it. Adding audio to your Canva slides is as simple as that. By following these steps, you'll be able to enhance any presentation with the perfect soundtrack, creating a more engaging and memorable experience for your audience.